Having a business email is essential if you want to run an online business. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can get a professional email address for your business without paying a dime. With this strategy, you can set up a free email address for your business. You can easily get an online Documento editor and also cloud storage. You can simply send attachment up to 30 megabytes without paying a dime. And if you focus on this very video, I'm going to simply guide you on how you can simply get custom domain for this very email. If you're new to this channel, hit that like button, subscribe to this very channel, turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into it right now. The first thing you need to do, head over to this very website. I'm going to review the name of this website later on in this very video. Okay, these are some emails I've already created on this very platform, and you can simply go ahead and create yours as well with this very platform. Okay, so first of all, you need to simply head over to this very website, and this particular website offers you free business emails. They offer you VPN, they offer you cloud storage, password manager, calendar, and wallet. Okay, but right now we want to create a business email on this very platform. Okay, simply click on this create free account. You can see most of their pricing plans, but we don't want to spend any amount of money on the free package. Okay, remember, with the free package you can get up to 1 gig storage, and this is only for one user. You can also get one email address. So at the end part of the video, I'm also going to show you how to get more emails and all of that. Okay, you have to pay close attention to this very video. Okay, so you click on this, get this for free. We'll have to simply continue with the free version. Okay, so if you click on the free version, you add your username. You can see right here, you can easily select whether you want to go with the @proton.me or @protonmail.com. okay, so for this, I'm going to simply select @protonmail.com. okay, so remember, a business email is simply an email with a custom domain at the back. Okay, a lot of people knows about gmail.com, yahoo.com, and all of that. Okay, but protonmail.com, a lot of people doesn't know about it. Most people have not even heard about the website before. If you can create your email from here as your business email, it's gonna simply look professional. Okay, and businesses will take you more serious than when you're using gmail.com, yahoo.com, and all of that. Okay, so right now you just have to make sure you select whether you want to go with the protonmail.com or you want to go with the proton.me. okay, so I'm going to simply select protonmail, and I'm going to simply add, let's say, support, or you add your name. Okay, for instance, if your name is subscribe now. Okay, so this is, for instance, this is your name, subscribe now at protonmail.com, or you can tell them, or you can use contact or contact us at protonmail.com. okay, so anything you want to use as your main username, you can simply go with that. Okay, so when you add that, you have to add your password. You have to make sure that your password is strong. When you add your password, click on this create account, then allow it to load. You can see right here they said username already used, contact us 247. okay, then create account, that's been taken already, 2471. then let's click on this, so let's go for 2471, then create account. You can see the account has been created right now, so let's wait for it. So we have to verify the account. Okay, you can easily use your email for this. You can use the same email. You can see this is how the email will look like, and this is the captcha right here. Okay, but I'm going to simply use the captcha. You just have to drag this to this section to verify you're not a robot. Okay, then click on OK. Okay, the captcha has been completed already. So the next thing we're going to do right now is simply head straight to our account. Okay, and this is going to take us to our account. This is going to be our display name. Okay, so for the display name, click on the continue. Okay, you can simply go ahead and add your phone number here. Remember, this particular website is going to work for you no matter where you're watching from. Okay, if you keep scrolling down, you're going to see your country must be here. Okay, you can easily go ahead and add your mobile number right there, and this is going to be your email address. Okay, and you can simply verify this later. Okay, this is just for the security of your account. Okay, so when you add that, just allow it to load. Okay, when you add that, then we have to simply click on the next button, then click on the next. Then you can simply skip this for now, and this is how our dashboard is going to look like. Okay, so this is now a professional email. We now have a professional email on our dashboard here. Okay, you can simply use this very email here to send out multiple emails to anybody. Okay, for instance, if I want to type in a message, or maybe I want to create a message, let's say I want to add new message, you have to simply click here. I want to send myself a message right now. Okay, you can now schedule or send message to be sent later. Okay, so I just want to send it right now. Okay, so click on this tool. Let's say I want to send it to my first email. Okay, let's go to my first email. This is it right here. Send this to my first email. Copy this, come back here, then paste it here. Remember, we made a mistake. We have to add .me there. Okay, so we have to add that as the email, as the recipient. Okay, and for the subject, let's say test. Okay, so send with Proton Mail, secure, and blah blah blah. So we have to remove this. You can easily remove this and type in whatever you want to type. Okay, test video. Okay, if you type in that, then you click on this send button. Okay, you can as well go ahead and add attachment to it, like images, PDF, and all of that. Okay, and remember, you're going to simply add something that is below 30 megabytes. Okay, all right, so you have to simply click on the send button. It is sending already. Let's allow it to load. It has been sent already. Let's go to that email. You can see we have our inbox here. We have inbox. So let's see if we've already received this email. Contact 2471, and this is the test message, and this is the test email. You can see test video here on this, and with this right now, you can send to any email address, even if it is google.com or youtube.com. Any email address. You can also use this very email here to register on any platform as a professional business. Okay, and on most platforms you're trying to register, it requires you to get a business email, but if you don't know how to get the email, then this video has already solved the problem. Okay, and if you want to get more custom domain, let's say you want to have a custom domain of yourself, maybe you are an engineer, or maybe you are a consultant, and you want to get something that is related to what you do, you can as well use this very platform. I have another platform that can help you do all of that. Okay, this is mail.com. Okay, this is mail.com, and this very platform, you can simply create a professional email, and is to target your specific industry. Okay, for instance, you can create at consultant.com, at engineer.com, at accountant.com, and all of that. Okay, with this platform right here, and with the one I've already shown you, which is proton.me. Okay, you can easily go ahead and create your free email addresses without stress. Okay, and you're not going to pay for this. This is lifetime free. It's not a 7-day free trial or 30-day free trial. This is just lifetime. Okay, and if you feel like maybe you want to upgrade and you don't want to bear this proton.me, you want to have your own domain, you can simply go ahead and upgrade by clicking on this very section. Okay, so it's not compulsory you pay for this. Since you're sending out email or receiving emails, you can simply do anything on this very platform. Okay, so this is simply how you can get your business emails without paying for it. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and also join us on our Telegram channel to stay updated for more videos. Okay.